Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Don B. This is just gonna be a voiceover video. You're gonna see me painting this beautiful artwork as one of my artists from Don Creatives. It's a lip, it's a mouth. Would I say one mouth because of the teeth? But it's a lip with a little teeth showing. So I'm not gonna stay long, just making you see how I paint this beautiful artwork and just enjoy.
From a Dan B, everything Chris. Make sure you no miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All our vibes. I did Dan B this. Dan B share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All our vibes. You need it. It's the Dan B.
Dear son of dry yet, Donnai, what you do? Look here, you gonna really make people know say you can't paint. Hey, do the something properly, no man. Anyways, I'm just gonna check in on Old Town, guys. So no matter watch me or hear me out, little, but you need to do something properly, cause watch there. Anyways, enjoy the video, guys. So right now it is looking like this because I paint this in black first, and I guess it was dry, I don't know. Every time I paint right here, as you can see, the black always come up. So I'm gonna make this dry a little bit, give it a next coat, give it another coat, just like a lipstick when you paste in your lip with some gloss. That is right. So the lipstick well put on the lip, and then when I was about to put the teeth, paint the teeth, the battery was about to die on me. So y'all not gonna see me painting as much teeth, but here is the full product.